better each and every day and attack each and every day.
So I know everybody sees it now. You see the 30 points a game, all-star, best player in the world. But before Shai was Shai, he was still that same guy. It's crazy. I remember it. Every single drill that Shai did, even if it was just ball handling or defensive slides, he was trying to win that drill. It wasn't about the wins or the losses, honestly. It's about the competition. It's like Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant. They weren't concerned about, hey, can they never lose or did they always have to win? They loved the competition. It's exactly the same thing for Shai. Now, I really believe the great ones make everyone else around them better. Not just themselves individually, but the whole team. So think about it. How many players coming into the NBA and, starting to get the fame, the notoriety would say, hey, I don't want to do any interviews by myself. I want my whole team in on the interviews. So you watch after the games. It's not just Shai taking the interviews, but it's a team. And that's what great leaders do. Shai is not just the best player in the world right now, I think he's the best leader as well. So this word potential gets thrown around a lot, right? And it basically means, can you be great? So the difference maker that I see, and I basically simply call it, do you drag me to the gym or do I drag you to the gym? And with Shai, he just loved the process. After the first workout, Santa Monica, 2019, pre-draft training, instead of just saying, hey, I'm done for the day, after a hard workout where we always try to crush the players just to test them, test their will. Shai came up to me and said, when are we going tonight? Yeah, he was different. Absolutely loves the process, the unseen hours, the work that nobody posts about on social media. That's the true definition of, do you have potential to be great?
I think winning games speaks for itself. That's why everybody plays the game. That's why you watch the game. You want your teams to win. It's everybody's ultimate goal. And I think, obviously, this year we've got off to a really good start in that category. But yeah, I think winning games is the biggest.
And that is why Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is the best player in the world. It's a combination of talent, ability, skill, and knowing what his strengths are with the insatiable drive and being a phenomenal teammate day after day after day. It's the way he shows up. And it's the way you can show up every single day as well.